I'm gonna cry.
Is this your first time on the
Yep.
podcast?
Yep. How high does it go? Actually, don't tell me. Don't tell me.
No, I don't want to know either.
28 stories.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for that.
The GCI hotel over there.
Oh my
You can have a
god.
peek through the penthouse window
Oh
Not cool. Not cool.
in 2 seconds.
my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Just make sure you've got your heads back for takeoff.
Yep.
Did you want me to give you a little countdown?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I think I'm gonna cry.
He's such a baby.
Shut up, Michaela. Just you can't scream.
I did scream. Okay. That was fun. Not able to do it again.
You get?
Jigga, I'm like shaking. Oh my god.
It's a good view.
Yeah.
29 stories.
We just went 29
Really
stories
just
in the
paid a
end.
little. No, jokes. Woo! Yeah. Suck it. Yeah. It's rad. What pride.
We bad.
Yeah,
we
we bad
badass.
like that. We bad like that.
We cool like that.
We extreme like that.
Yeah.
Let's have a Greek student in the hood.
Yep.